AI, or artificial intelligence, is improving at an alarming rate. We all know that by now. With a lot of concern over which jobs AI will replace first, let's have a look at something more positive and look at which jobs are safe from being taken by AI, or at least which jobs are less likely to be automated in the near future. Stick around to see if your job is on the list, and please do subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps this small channel grow. Let's start with creative jobs, such as artists, writers, and musicians. These jobs require unique human abilities to generate new ideas, emotions, and feelings that are hard to replicate by machines. If you've seen some examples of AI-generated art, you'll know what I mean. Although AI is improving and learning constantly, you're probably safe for quite a while unless AI becomes capable of realistically simulating human emotions and feelings. Next, let's look at social jobs such as therapists, social workers, and teachers. These jobs require human empathy, intuition, and emotional understanding that are difficult for machines to replicate. These are jobs society would also likely be the least accepting of AI taking. Not many people would be happy with their child being taught by AI. People would also probably have a hard time opening up to an AI therapist. Now let's look at physical jobs like construction workers, plumbers, and electricians. These all require physical dexterity, mobility, and adaptability, making them less likely to be automated by AI in the near future. Training AI on the very specific requirements of certain tasks in these jobs and building things in a way that's aesthetically pleasing to humans would be very difficult. We'd likely end up with all buildings looking extremely similar and have numerous safety concerns if electrics weren't done correctly due to AI thinking it had found a more efficient way to do things. These physical jobs would also require actual robots or machines to be built that the AI could control, which at the moment is a long way off being cost effective in most cases. Healthcare workers would also be very hard to replace with AI in the near future. Patients describe their symptoms in different ways that may be extremely difficult for AI to understand, seeing as it can't feel human feelings or emotions. It may also have extreme difficulty understanding mental health issues that present themselves in different ways in different people. AI simply wouldn't be able to follow a set of instructions or requirements to diagnose all patients, as the symptoms and way they are described could be very different from person to person. It's worth mentioning that AI can still augment and enhance many of the jobs we've mentioned in some way, making them more efficient and effective. So while certain jobs may not be fully automated, they may still be impacted by AI in some way. Do you think your job is safe from AI? Let me know in the comments. Please do subscribe if you've enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.